Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last few videos, I have explained you how you can use React navigation like we did in this application. We click on register, then we go to the register screen and we just go to the welcome screen after login from this application. So after learning all these things, now is time to learn tab navigation also. So in this video we are going to learn how we can use tab navigation in React Native Expo Go. So let us start. So for that we have to install the tab navigation also. So I close it first of all. I'm stopping services. Now we go to the internet and I say React navigation and the first link will come. Click on it. Now we have to go to the guide here, then we have a tab navigation. Like this way we can go, and we have another way to go to this. We can go to API, then we have navigations. These navigations we have navigation event, navigation context, navigation props, or we have here navigator. So in types of navigator we have learn stack and native stacks. Now we go for bottom tab navigation. So we can go from here also the navigators link under the API, or we can go to the guide and navigator. This is better to come here. So in bottom tab navigation we have to install this first of all. So we have to copy and we have to install this. So for that we go here, we go there in the project and copy paste and press enter. So it will install the bottom tab navigation under the navigation. So after that what we have to do, like I created this routes here under this login, I have a routes. Under the routes I have so many screens like this. Similar to that I create one more routes, but for that I create one folder under the tab, under the component I say tab navigation, tab nav. Under this tab nav I provide first of all the first screen. So I say tab root.jsx. That would be the first screen that will hold all the screens. Then I will have more screens also. So first of all I create this, save this. Now I need to remove this, no need of this. Now I don't need this styles also, no need of this. Now I need to copy some URL. So for that what I need to go there in guide. Under this guide we have a tab navigation. So if you see that here we have these two links, import navigation container, that is from the React navigation native, and we need this create bottom tab navigation also. So these two objects we require. So I import these. Now I create a tab. So I say const tab and I create from the create bottom tab navigation. So from this I create this, save this. Now in place of view I need to change navigation container like this, navigation container. Now I need to remove this. In place of this I need tab dot navigator. Inside this I need to pass a screen. So I say tab dot screen. Here I need to give name of the screen, like I say home screen. Then what I say, I can say login screen first of all, and then I say component. Here I will pass the name of this. So I say login, then I close it. Now I create three screens. So first is login, second I say welcome, just for example I am creating this. Third I say register, just for your example purpose. So I say welcome here and I say register here. Now these screens I have inserted, but these screens is not available here right now. So I need to create these under this tab navigation. I can create login, I already have, so I can take login. So I say import, I say login, From this log app, we have inserted this login. Now I need to create these two under the tab nav. So here I create one screen is called welcome.jsx component. Then I create one more. I say register JSX. Now I create one. So I say here RNFES. So we can use snippets. Same here RNFES. We did this. Now I need to pass some CSS also. So first of all I save this. I save this also. Now on a welcome screen, so I say welcome to tab navigation in Expo. Same I just do here. So first of all I say container, and I say here flex 1 here, and I say justify content equal to center, and I say align item equal to center. So I save this and I put it into the view. So I say here style equal to styles.container. Save this. So I have here and in register also. So I copy this one and I paste here. I replace this and I put here under the view. I say style equal to styles.container. And I say register here in tab navigation using Expo, just for example purpose. So we have this screen register, welcome and login we have set. So we need to import these also. So import welcome under this same screen. Then I need to import register under the same tab. Save this. Now this is ready. So I can set here initial screen also, that will display first. So I say initial routes screen is login, or I can display some other also, as I explained in previous video. Now I need to give this routes, I need to close. Under this app.js I need to remove this and I need to use a tab routes. This I will use and I remove this one. So I think this is ready now. I save this and I start this application. For that I say cls first of all, then I say npm start. It will run Expo application here. So in this video we learn that we have installed the bottom tab navigation library, and then we created this component, centralized component, to club all the activities together in tab navigation. So 3 tabs we are creating here. Bottom tabs, we have created separate activities also. Now we are launching this application to run this. So I want in Android. So I say R for refreshing this application. It is reloading again. So you see we have login tab blue here. Then we have a welcome. You see I click on register. Then we have a register here in tab navigation using Expo. You see everything we have in the center of the screen. Login we also have. So here we have all the screens. You see it is working. Now we can set this color also. By default active color is blue, but we can change this color also. For that what we have to do here in tab navigation, I need to pass here screen options. In this screen options I need to pass some property. So I say tab bar active color, active tint color, and I say here that would be red, and I say tab bar inactive tint color, and I say that is green. Save this and you see that by default it was blue color, now it is red, then green is inactive color, active color is red. So we can change the color as per the requirement, whatever you have. You see one more thing we can learn here, that here is a login screen and we have written login also, but if I want to display here in place of login, I want to display here home. So I can use here option, and under this option I need one option. So I say tab bar label, and here I give the value to this label. I say home. and I save this, and you will see that login will change to home, you see. So if we want to change the name of any tab label, that we can change from here. You see everything is working fine. So bottom tab we have activated, we have installed, and we have created here 3 tabs. We have changed the label of the login also, because by default is a login, because name is given here login, but the label we can change. We have changed the active color of this tab or inactive color. You can change whatever you want. I have changed to green and red. You can change to gray or some other color, whatever you want. So this is working right now here, but one problem we have, the problem is icon. You see here we have a cross rectangle type of images coming. That means no icon or no image is coming here, no icon is displaying here. So in next video I will explain you that how to install these library, or Expo have inbuilt library. So all these icons we will use, how we can use the icons, how we can set here icons, that we will use in the next video. So in this video I try to explain you how to install tab navigation, bottom tab navigation, and in React navigation. In this video I explain you how to install bottom tab navigation under the React navigation, and how to set these all activity together under this component I call this tab routes. So that's tab routes I given here app also. So separately we are controlling this tab navigation. Individual activity we have created, welcome and register these activity. If you want to create 4 tab, you can create 4 tab also. Just one activity you have to insert here. So one more screen you can add here, and it will insert one more tab here. So we have active tint color, inactive tint color we have set here. You can change this color anything, but one problem here we have, the icons are not coming, because by default we do not have any icon here. We have to import libraries. So how these libraries we can use, I will explain you 2 libraries here, but 2 libraries here, which one you prefer you can use, material library or Ionics libraries. These are famous library you can use to set icon as per your choice. That I will explain you next video. I think you learned something from this video. If you learn, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.